Hello everyone. In our last video, we covered the basics of naming. Today we are going to finalize chapter 2, meaningful names, by looking at the official guidance from the book, starting from section 2.6 all the way to the end of the chapter. We'll discuss how to name your classes and methods and how to maintain professional consistency. Let's dive in. Sorry. First, let's talk about avoid mental mapping. A common trap for programmers is using single letter names like A, B, or R. While you might know that R stands for results or URL, your reader has to mentally translate that every time. In clean code, clarity is king. Don't make your readers map your variables in their heads. Use explicit names so that your code is readable without any external explanation. Class and method names. We look at class and method names. The rule is simple. Classes should be nouns or noun phrases like customer or account. Avoid generic words like manager or data. On the other hand, methods should be verbs or verb phrases, such as post payment, delete page. For accessor and predicates, use standard prefix like get set and is to make your API predictable. Section 2.9 tells us don't be cute. Avoid jokes or puns in your code. Choose clarity over cleverness. Also, pick one word per concept. Don't use fetch, retrieve, and get interchangeably in the same project. If you decide that get means simple retrieval, use get everywhere. Consistency follows the principle of least price. Everything should be exactly where the reader expects it to be. Equally important is don't pun. This means you shouldn't use the same word for two different purposes. For example, if add means mathematical sum, don't use it to append an item to a list. Even if the word is the same, the semantic meaning is different. Be precise with your verbs to avoid misleading your fellow developers. When naming things, consider your audience. Consider your audience. Use solution domain names like account visitor or job queue because your readers are programmers who understand these patterns. However, if there is no technical name, use problem domain names from the business world. A clean code base is a professional mix of technical patterns and business logic. Finally, let's discuss context. You should add meaningful context by grouping related variables into classes like address instead of just state and zip, but don't add gratuitous to context. If you are building a mailing system, don't prefix every class with mailing. It's redundant and makes the code harder to read. Keep it simple, keep it short, and keep it meaningful. That's a wrap for chapter 2. We will learn that naming is not just about labels. It's about designing a clear communication path for other developers. In our next video, we'll start chapter 3 and talk about the heart of any program functions. Thanks for watching And remember, write code that humans can read. See you in the next one.